Good morning students. So in this class we are going to discuss about transformer construction and working. So transformer is a device used to transform electrical power from one circuit to another without changing its frequency. So frequency means without changing its energy. So the transformer, it consists of a transformer core. So it is connected with the primary coil, then secondary coil. Then it is made up of, that is transformer core is made up of good magnetic material, silicon steel. So here the transformer mainly, here the electrically laminated. So that is primary coil is electrically, that is primary and secondary coils are electrically laminated, but magnetically it's linked. Then there are two types of transformers, step up and step down transformers. Step up means, so the alternating low voltage is converted to high voltage, but the current is decreased. Then step down transformer, the alternating high voltage is converted to low voltage. Here the current is increased because power is equal to voltage into current. Here without changing its frequency or without changing its power, both are similar. If voltage is increased, means to maintain the power constant, current should be reduced. So here the low voltage is converted to high voltage means current should be reduced. Then high voltage is converted to low voltage means current should be increased to maintain the power as constant. Then what is the working principle? So the mutual induction between the two coils. Here the primary coil and secondary coil. So there is a change in magnetic flux linked with the coil. There is an induced EMF in the neighboring coil. So the magnetic flux changes means, so there is a change in current in the primary coil. So mutual induction between the two coils is the working principle of transformer. Then construction. So I have discussed earlier. So the transformer core is made up of silicon steel core. So it's a good magnetic material. Then primary coil have a number of turns. Then secondary coil have a n number of turns. Then so voltage across the primary is a primary voltage, that is applied voltage. Then there is a current flowing through the primary, that is primary current. Then secondary current, then voltage across the secondary coil, that is secondary voltage, that is voltage drawn out from the, that is output voltage. Then current, that is secondary current. Then what is the working? So here there is a medium. So the whole set is immersed in a medium to get a electrical lamination as well as for cooling purpose. So then working. So if a current is passing, that is alternating current. So there is a change in current. So there is a change in magnetic flux. So magnetic flux linked with the coil, the neighboring coil also induced EMF is produced according to mutual inductance. So that magnetic flux linked with both primary and secondary coil is same, because so the transformer core is same. So the same core, the primary coil and secondary coil is wounded. So there is a magnetic flux linked with the primary and secondary. So because it's magnetically linked, so the EMF induced in the primary, that is the back EMF here. So it's minus NP d pi by dt. So that induced EMF is equal to, that is applied voltage. So EP equal to minus Vp, that is EP equal to Vp, that is induced EMF in the primary, that is equal to applied voltage. So Vp equal to minus Np d pi by dt. Then the magnetic flux is same here. Then in similar manner, so the induced EMF in the secondary coil, so that is Es is equal to minus Ns d pi by dt. So that is the output voltage, that is E is equal to Vs, so V is equal to minus Ns d pi by dt. So for equation 1 and 2, so from equation 1 and 2, Vs by Vp. So just say Vs by Vp, you will get that d pi by dt is same, so it's both are cancelled. So you will get Ns by Np. So minus minus cancel, it becomes plus, that is equal to K. So K is a constant, is called voltage transformation ratio. So up to this one part. Then ideal transformer. For ideal transformer means there is a 100% perfect. So no one is 100% perfect. Here ideal means 100% perfect. So input power is equal to output power. So power is equal to voltage into current. So it's a formula. Power is equal to voltage into current, or product of voltage into current. So input current and input voltage, that is IP and Vp. So that is the current in the primary, then voltage in the primary, then current in the secondary, voltage in the secondary. So again we have an expression like this, Vs by Vp. So we need to reproduce the similar manner, that is Vs by Vp equal to Ip by Is. So here Ip by Is. So just make it the same. So Vs by Vp equal to Ns by Np, already we have derived. again Vs by Vp equal to Ip by Is. Just see Vs by Vp, Ns by Np, but the current is Ip by Is. So this is a mistake everyone do. So that is Ip by Is, that is equal to K. So it's a entire derivation is over. Then K is a constant. If it is K is greater than 1 means step up transformer. So step up transformer means there is a voltage is increase, current is decrease. So K is greater than 1, that is greater than 1 value. So numerator should be greater, that is a point. So Vs is greater than, that is Vs is greater than Vp. Then Ns is greater than Np. Then Is is greater, that is Ip is greater than Is. Here Is is less than Ip, both are same. So current, if there is an increase of voltage means there is a decrease of current. That is a concept here. Then step down transformer, that is K is less than 1. So again numerator number should be low. So Ns is, here Ns is greater than Np, here Ns is less than Np. That is number of turns in the secondary is less than number of turns in the primary. Here secondary voltage is less than the primary voltage. Because this is step down transformer, then current also increases, that is secondary current is greater than the primary current. Then finally the efficiency. So efficiency of a transformer is the ratio of output power to the input power. So into 100%. Normally the transformer's efficiency is 96 to 99%. So there is a loss due to some other cases. So we will discuss in the coming classes. So the efficiency of transformer is 96 to 99%. So in this class we have discussed, so what is my transformer, then construction and working of transformer, so what is the working principle, mutual inductance, then ideal transformer, then efficiency. So okay students.